welcome back to my channel. Good morning, you guys. It's my first day here in Cabo. I'm kind of prepared to do my vlog, and so let's get back to it, you guys. It was beautiful, it was nice and hot, but it wasn't like the kind of heat that suffocates you or that makes you sweat. It was like a dry heat, which, you know, I don't know if you guys know the difference, but there's a big difference. So I would suggest you guys to rent a car.
Or I would suggest
catching an Uber. You know, usually at the airports, things are a little more expensive when it comes to buying taxi. Renting a car if you're gonna do activity. That way you don't have to keep calling Uber. As far as the currency, everyone here is kind of accepting of American dollars. Such a touristic city, so it's not like a random location to where you have to get your currency exchange. So that's a good thing about Cabo, especially as an American. Like, it's great to have a place that accepts your cat. You don't have to get out your money and all of that stuff. So these past couple days I realized Cabo's not expensive, but it's not the cheapest place. You can use hotels, but I found that hotels are slightly more expensive than what I'm used to. You go with a group of people. If you want more space, for sure get an Airbnb because a lot more space. You have a kitchen, you have bedrooms, you know, it's just a huge open space versus having to stay in one room and then you're paying more, so it just doesn't really make sense. This place here was maybe $200 with taxes, you know, occupancy taxes, Airbnb taxes. Staying here for 4 days, it came up to $987, I think. I'll show you guys this place here. So as far as activities and things to do, I decided Cabo is a place for me to chill. I usually go to cool places and do all these activities, but Cabo for me seemed like a relaxing place. So as far as activities, I haven't done any yet, but tomorrow I'm gonna go on a boat. Here I see that they have like camel rides, little dune buggies, all that stuff. Like, all this stuff looks pretty cool. ATVs, biking, horseback riding on the beach, have like helicopter tours. I'm not sure if you're into aerial activities, but land, water, aerial, they have everything. So I got this pamphlet from Walmart. Usually at Walmart or convenience stores, there's usually like a seller of activities. So this trip, I'm just gonna chill. I'm just gonna go on a boat. I don't know if you guys done your research, but the landmark for the whole postcard of Cabo is actually this arch, and I keep looking over. I'm looking at it actually. So yeah, this is only day 2 for me. I'm gonna have a lot more cool videos for you guys. I'm gonna do more vlogs, and so if you guys like this video, comment, subscribe to this like button. Back with you guys soon. Never use that. Microwaves are bad for you. This part is probably where I'll be mostly. morning, you guys. Buenos dias, hola, all the beautiful things today.
It's my first day here in Cabo. I'm so exhausted from all the traveling yesterday.
Today, I'm just gonna vlog about
like my relaxing beach day today.
I'm so tired still from yesterday. Like, even though I went to bed early last night, I'm still tired. So I'm just gonna chill today and I'm gonna take you guys through this day with me. So you guys enjoy. So today, you guys, I'm gonna make morning steak and eggs. Got the steaks here. We got the garlic with the little butter, the little seasoning. We have the sauce to top
The steak with.
And so let me get back to it here, you guys, and I will show you guys the end. Yummy.
back to my channel. So it's a beautiful day at the pool, you guys. Can't really see anything. But yes, you guys, so pretty here.
See the dawn on the horizon, calling me. I feel it calling me. I feel it calling me.
It's about low 90s, high 80s here. So nice here. It's a perfect kind of beach day. No humidity, so you're right near the beach. tours, I think. So I just booked this. You have to sign this contract for every person. You know, it's just a waiver. I'll be back with you guys. Let me show you guys the area. So if you want to wait, there's like places where you can go, places where you can shop for everybody here. I have to try this place. It's called Dice.
Oh, you're funny.
You don't have to follow the guide. So right now I'm headed towards this boat trip. A lot of tourists, a lot of people who are wanting you to buy something.
Baby girl, this is what you want to film.
Hey girl, hey! So you guys have to put this jacket on, make sure you're safe. At the point where we're taking pictures and videos of the arch. So pretty.
Love the tour, everything so far.
Let me show you guys what it looks like. Very nice. We can see all the fishes from beneath the boat. Tour only lasted maybe 40 to 50 minutes, max an hour. Depends on which tour guide you have. I'm gonna give you a little selfie of it. Love this place. The best view of the city. Perfect for sunset.
So you guys, we are trying the sashimi